to be sure that your citizens are convinced that you are going in the right direction in terms of technology and AI, because everyone and the young generation are obsessed now by technology and AI. What are you doing in terms of global cooperation and also what you are doing on technology to be sure that the young generation will benefit from this new trend of AI technology to be inclusive? You are a great tech nation.
Yeah, very good question. I think Pakistan is already set and we are moving speedily towards technology and AI. Now, AI, ladies and gentlemen, we must all understand, has its huge benefits and also disadvantages. I think the global north should come and sit on the table who have already achieved a lot of progress in AI, that how AI technology can best be used to make it productive, make it very positive, and have synergy between global north and global south. For example, agriculture. If we deploy AI technology in agriculture, a country like Pakistan and those representing global south countries, this agricultural economy will be completely transformed. Similarly, in industry. And we are, at the moment, training our youth with AI, with technology, with IT, and using whatever means we have at our disposal, but to create hubs, to create data centers, require huge investment. And therefore, global north and global south should sit down and come to an agreement whereby we should have equitable distribution of resources, to have egalitarian economy, I mean, for the north and for the south. This is how we have to have shared destiny. Otherwise, I don't think we will be able to do justice to ourselves and to the entire global village.